Let's talk about having long 4C hair, 3C hair, any type of curly hair. Firstly, her hair is beautiful. And I have so many comments like, oh, we only want girls who have long hair on YouTube. Like, we don't like curly hair that's short. Not inspiring us. Your hair doesn't need to be long for it to be beautiful. You can love your hair no matter what length or how it looks like, okay? Her hair is beautiful, and by cutting it doesn't lessen her beauty or increase it because it's long. I love long hair. Of course, we all love long hair. But once you start embracing who you are, how you look, how you feel, oh my goodness, your life will be happier. Do you honestly think you will be happier if your hair is longer? If you're not happy right now, there's a reason. It's not because your hair is short or your hair is unhealthy. You can change these things. What you really need to change is your mind, your heart, and yourself. This outward appearance, of course, is beautiful. We're all going to get old. I'm sorry, but you are not going to look like this forever. And neither are your kids or your parents or the people who were here before you. Only God and Jesus have that ability of immortality. If you are not happy about how you look or I look, you need to change that. You cannot change what other people do. It's time for you to start being happy yourself. Humble yourself. Reverse a little, okay? It ain't my fault you are not happy. Let's see your hair. You're complaining about watching my short-haired videos. Do you know my hair isn't actually short, right? But the shrinkage makes it look short. I've accepted that. I love my hair, okay? Learning to love myself. I love God. I love my family. My priorities are not based on how I look. Of course, you feel good when you look good. But if the inside is decaying and festering, the outside's not going to look good. It might for a little bit, but mate, that inside needs to be cleansed before we can start being happy again. And please don't come for this person who left this comment. Hate doesn't make hate better, okay? Two negatives might make a positive, but that's in mathematics. Two bad things don't make a good thing. So let's show love and respect for each other. Okay, rant over. Peace out.